Hi everyone, my name is Gwen. I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. Today I'm making for the last episode of this year's Mother's Day collection a candle with a pretty message. I start by making the little hearts that will decorate the top of my candle in different purples, from lightest to darkest. I use the rest of my little cups to decorate my candle holder with small spots reminiscent of the heart on top. To scent it, I choose a fragrance oil from Smellingood named Mango Papaya. I always respect the indication of my producer to know the different temperature for my wax, when to add colors and fragrance oil, and when to pour. I recommend you do the same because different producers or different wax can have a different temperature to work with. I leave you with the video and meet you again at the end. I really like the result, and you, what do you think? You can find my recipe and links in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.